In this video, we will show you how to create ad creatives using AdsGPT. First, log into your dashboard. Start by selecting the AI model. Then, go to the top right corner and select the platform you want to create ads for. Next, enter your prompt and describe what kind of ad you want to create. After that, select the frame ratio and choose how many ads you want to generate. Now click on Describe Brand Auto. Add your brand name, upload your logo, and then click on Preferences. Here, you will see a bunch of features where you can customize your ad style. Once done, add your references and click on Generate. AdsGPT will now create multiple ad images for you within seconds. You can also edit the images based on your needs. And finally, you can easily download them and use them anywhere for your campaigns.